Hey everyone, happy Self-Love Sunday. So today we are going to take a prompt from my new self-love journal, Go Love Yourself Self-Love Journal. And we'll just kind of go through it and kind of get that mindset in that aligned place where we can begin or continue on this journey of self-love. So today's prompt that I've picked is loving prompt number 18. What does self-love mean to you? How can you bring more love into your life? And this can be kind of a difficult question to answer because some of us don't know what self-love truly is. We might think it's, going for a massage or just doing those kind things for ourselves or taking time for ourselves. And that is true because those things are just aspects of self-love. That is self-care, and we need to be mindful of that. But self-love is consistent. It is ongoing. It is never ending. So even in those moments when you aren't feeling really great about yourself or you're just really down on yourself, in those moments, that is the most important time to practice self-love, because then you are reaching for, you are getting into a head space or into a heart space of understanding what true self-love is. It is consistent love for yourself no matter what is happening. So take a look at self-love and what that means to you from that perspective of loving yourself no matter what is happening. And then how can you bring more love into your life? So if it means starting with more self-care, then start there. If it means deciding to meditate every single day, then start there. If it means becoming more aware of your thoughts and emotions and what's happening inside your body, and then beginning to change those habits, then start there. Wherever it is you start, that is the perfect place to start. And I think the most important thing is just always take that first step. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you next time.